Welcome to VW Dummies. This is,
Jonas, and I had oatmeal for breakfast.
and today we're putting chrome strips on my beautiful car. Alright, so this is what the chrome strips look like. Jonas did an absolutely fantastic job of getting them out. So you see there's a couple really big ones. I think these are the smallest. I didn't do any research before doing this, so hopefully, I get them in the right spots and everything. But I have Jonas here for good luck, so
Oh.
yeah, let's do it. So where the chrome strips are gonna go is, if you can see these little holes right there, it should go all along the car, and the pieces are gonna be in little segments, and we're just gonna put pins in the holes and then just put it on. And this should be pretty difficult because the chrome bends really easily. So we want to just get it on there and make sure it's straight. And then, yeah, let's do it. Dilemma number 1. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, cinco. Right? So that's, if I counted that right, that's 5 holes. Okay? And we need all 5. This one, uno, dos, 3, not 4, not 5. What happened to this guy? This guy, that's probably just the, when it, they filled it with that gray stuff. I forget what it's called. They'd probably just filled that in. But, did they even, punch the hole for that? Why is it gone? I don't know. Now I only have 3 holes. And that's gonna, it's gonna be hanging off. Should I just bend it? I don't know. We'll see. Dilemma number 2. So, I think we're just gonna worry about this side today. Because, one side could look good and the other side could look bad and no one would care. Except for me. But, so I'm trying to figure out putting the pins in. This big circle side, obviously, wants to go in there. But then there's this little dongle hanging out, and that doesn't work. It doesn't clip on, right? If that wasn't there, though, these two fit in, and I would be able to just put it on, and then, but this thing is just, oh, thank you, that was very helpful. Let's try this out. Hi.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Oh, sure, yeah. Thank you. Do you like my car? Do you like my car?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Anyway, so I'm just gonna clip that off. Yeah, somewhere over there. Now. Okay, yeah. Set those down. What a kind lady. Oh, to be an Amazon driver.
You might need to cut it
honestly,
a little bit shorter.
Yeah. This is weird. I'm gonna go look it up and then get back to you guys. Which I probably should have done first, but. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm back here with Jonas.
I had eggs for breakfast.
And we made a multitude of mistakes last night. With the clips and everything. So now we're back to correct them. Stay tuned so you don't make the same mistakes as we did. Basically, first mistake is when you see this little thing, you want to put it in like that, which we figured out, right? But then there's this little dongle, as I called it.
My hammer just fell.
It looks like you pooped it. Anyways, and we were like, we want to cut that off because it's in the way. Bad idea. We don't want that. We don't want to cut it off. do not cut off the dongle. Instead, you're supposed to hammer it in, and then the inside spreads out like that. I don't know how good my hammer work was. We'll see it in the video. But basically, spreads out, holds it. Now that thing is gone, and we can just, you know, rinse and repeat and do that all the way down. And then, you know, we'll be able to just clip it on. So stay tuned. Got all our pins in. Looking good, looking good. Now, if you remember from my last clip, oh yeah, we got this in last night, which was very cool. So if you remember, I had 3 holes, uno, dos, tres, but this and this were blocked. This we just drilled a hole. I mean, it was just a small one, and then it just kind of appeared. This one, it was just paint, so we kind of just pushed the nail through, and it revealed itself, which is super rad. I think we're gonna move this, like take it back off and move it so that it looks like it's all one piece, just to make it look nicer. So yeah, let's do it. All right. Got all the chrome trim strips on. It's covering up all the nasty little holes that were there. Looks very sleek, clean, nice. It's a little problem here. There's just a dent, and now there's just like a bunch of space between it, but that's okay. All right, all finished. Thank you everyone for watching. I know I didn't get this piece on, but that's all right. I'll get it on sometime down the road. I'll let you guys know if I do. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Comment down below what you had for breakfast, and see you in the next video.